Lesson 1, Unit 4. Organizational Project Management Maturity Model. Project management maturity is the degree to which an organization practices organizational project management. A maturity model is a tool that allows organizations assess its project management performance by repeatedly evaluating, measuring, standardizing, and conducting improvements in its performance. The model describes maturity as a process to move from a low performance level to a high performance level. It helps organizations understand where they are in a specific level and identify the actions they need to take to move up. The model describes an organization's overall ability to select and manage projects in a way that supports its strategic goals. The idea behind a maturity model is to help organizations identify the areas of improvement they need to ensure their projects and programs are delivering the intended results. Most organizations are not aware of their own level of project management capabilities, and the use of this model not only helps them determine their current state, but develop a plan to increase their capabilities. Once the initial level of maturity and areas of improvement are identified, the tool provides a roadmap outlining the necessary steps to take toward advancing its capabilities and performance. The project management maturity model provides a mechanism to assess the capabilities of an organization by measuring the maturity of project, program, and portfolio management processes. It measures maturity in 3 areas: the processes, the people skills, and the tools. The OPM maturity model consists of 6 levels: awareness, understanding, adoption, execution, performance, and excellence. Organizations may vary on their maturity levels. Based on their initial assessment, the model helps determine the current state, which informs the desired state an organization might want to reach based on their specific goals, strategies, resource capabilities, scope, and needs. The framework is used for the progressive development of the organization-wide project management capabilities and helps monitor its progress in reaching the desired level. For example, an organization's first assessment indicates it is operating at a level 2. The senior manager may decide that the organization should be performing at level 5. Then it sets the plan to build the capabilities and uses the framework to monitor the progress. Level 1 will evaluate the knowledge of project management and the degree to which an organization understands the fundamental concepts of project management. At this level of maturity, the management of organization first recognizes the importance of project management. The common characteristics of organizations at level 1 are inconsistent use of project management practices and a few defining processes. Some project managers bring tools and templates they may have learned elsewhere, but otherwise, the successful project management is largely dependent upon individual efforts. The step towards achieving project management excellence is a common language. The organization should actively recognize the importance of project management and promote the sharing of the project management lessons learned. Level 1 organizations should take the following steps to graduate to a higher level of project management maturity: provide training in project management, support the use of project management practices in all projects, encourage the use of project management tools, templates, checklists, and forms. A Level 2 assessment will evaluate the knowledge of project management and the degree to which an organization understands the fundamental concepts of project management. At this level of maturity, the organization acknowledges the value of project management. Level 2 is based on the knowledge of the fundamental principles of project management and the associated terminology. The common characteristics of organizations at level 2 are an understanding of the benefits of project management, support to project management across various levels, and some defined processes to managing projects. Level 2 organizations should take the following steps to graduate to a higher level of project management maturity: Develop a project management methodology and ensure the defined processes are replicated in all projects. Train project staff in the use of the methodology and monitor its adoption, especially on critical projects. Level 3 of the assessment will evaluate how effectively the organization has achieved common processes for project management. At this level of maturity, the organization realizes that common methodologies and processes are needed such that success in one project can be replicated to other projects. The common characteristics of organizations at level 3 are the adoption of project management methodology by most projects, and management is implementing a standard repeatable process across the organization. Level 3 organizations should take the following steps to graduate to a higher level of project management maturity. Integrate all processes into an universally accepted project management methodology and develop a training program for all staff on the use of the methodology. At this level of maturity, the organization recognizes that synergy and process control can best be achieved through the use of a singular methodology. Organizations that have reached level 4 are fully committed to the concept of project management. The level 4 organization understands the value of combining management methodologies into one singular methodology for project management. The common characteristics of organizations at level 4 are project management processes are integrated with organizational processes, and management uses the established project management maturity model to measure efficiencies and obtain consistent results. Level 4 organizations should take the following steps to graduate to a higher level of project management maturity. Develop performance targets for all projects in the organizations and develop a project management career track. At this level of maturity, the organization uses benchmarking to continuously compare project management practices with recognized leaders to gain information to help them improve the performance. Benchmarking is a continuous effort of analysis and evaluation. The common characteristics of organizations at level 5 are the use of process metrics to measure performance, a career path exists to staff in project management, and results are more predictable. Level 5 organizations should take the following steps to graduate to a higher level of project management maturity. Create and nurture a culture of continuous improvement within the organization and develop support for innovation in project management. At this level of maturity, the organization evaluates information learned during benchmarking and implements the changes necessary to improve the project management processes. The organization realizes that excellence in project management is a never-ending journey. Level 6 organizations continuously analyze information obtained from benchmarking and implement it to improve the project management practices. Such organizations constantly strive towards project management excellence. The common characteristic of organizations at level 6 are that the organization is recognized as a leader in the field. Results are continuously optimized, and project management is now a competitive factor that helps win more contracts and attract new donors. The main benefits of a structured maturity assessment are not necessarily in understanding the current level at which the organization is performing, but rather in setting direction, prioritizing actions, and beginning a cultural change. An organizational project management maturity model serves as a guide to articulate and measure project success, to measure project performance against organizational goals, and to make the delivery of projects more predictable. Benefits from using the OPM as a basis for process improvements are improved schedule and budget predictability, increased production and quality, better stakeholder satisfaction and staff morale, and an increased impact. A project management maturity model is a progressive process during which organizations experience notable improvements at different stages of development. Those that follow the OPM tree will notice valuable results such as better control of project costs and improved management decision making, better coordination of resources, increased job satisfaction, and more visibility and recognition by project partners and donors regarding the capacity to manage projects. When an organization stands on the maturity model is one of the biggest key factors determining the chances for success. The OPM tool helps identify strategic strengths and weaknesses, which are then used to develop a detailed action plan for improving the capabilities of project management practices.